नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज वशी. अरे वशी आ गए अपना, वशी. वशी का मतलब क्या है भाई? वश मीन्स टू कंट्रोल. Vashi means, Vashin is the word actually in the Pratipadik. Vashin is the word. Nakarant pulling is there. So nominative case is Vashi. Vashi, Vashinau, Vashinah. It goes like that. Vashi. Controller. Controller, which controls all. That is called Vashi. Well, what means? This Atma controls all. Wait, let me first complete, then you say anything. Sarvam Jagat Yasya Vashi. Whole world is under the control of Atma. How it controls? Because it's like the controlling, like the king controls the subject. King is controlling the subject, or commander-in-chief is controlling, or the traffic police is controlling the traffic. Traffic police is saying like that, you go 9. Here I don't see traffic police. But if you go to India, a lot of traffic police are there. Is it controlling like traffic police? No. Then how it is controlling? I am telling you, it's controlling by giving existence. ये देखो ऐसे मीनिंग निकालते हैं लोग. कंट्रोलिंग. वशी सर्वम यस्य जगद वशे वर्तते. कुतः वशी? सर्वभूतांतरा. यत एकमेव सदेक रसम आत्मानं विशुद्ध विज्ञान स्वरूपम नाम रूपादि अशुद्ध उपाधि भेदेन वशेन बहुधा अनेक प्रकारम. So it is controlling the whole world by giving existence to the and with the upadhi. Like, can you give an example for that? Yes. Like gold is controlling all ornament. Controlling is not a direct term, physical term. Because it's not a doer. No? Controller means a doer. And doer involves modification. So it's not a modified self. So everything is there. And then Eko Vashi. And how he is Vashi? So Bhashka, this is Sarva Bhuta Antaratma. It is the internal self of, it goes through all. Again, it goes through all. We have seen that. It goes through all means it is the existence of all. So Nam Roop Adi Ashuddh Upadhi Bhed Vashena Bahudha. So it creates, देखो यहाँ क्या बोल रहे हैं. Sarvbhutantaratma means it creates manyness because of the conditioning of time and space. Because of the conditioning of name and form. Because of the conditioning of name and form, as if, देखो क्या लिखा, एकम रूपम बहुधा या करोति. One thing is there. One thing is there. Ekam roop means only consciousness is there. And bahudha ya karoti, he creates many. Who? Self. How? How one becomes many? Which conditioning? Maya. Swatma satta matena achintya shaktitva samashti nam roop is Maya. So on oneself, whole world is appearing. Maya means what? Showing something where it is not. Showing something, showing manyness where there is oneness. Like in the dream. Dream nothing is there. But one dream Maya creates lot of names and forms in the dream. This is called Maya. Jabardast cheez hai Maya. So where nothing is there, their lot has been created now. Nothing is there. I told you that story. One day, Narad Ji was there. He said, Bhagwan, show me your Maya. He said, yaar, what Maya, etc. I am there, see me. Kahan Maya ke chakkar mein pade? He said, okay, get me a glass of water. So Narad Ji went to get, he was thirsty. Who? Bhagwan Krishna, not Narad Ji. So he went to fetch a glass of water on the river. So he saw that one elephant was coming. Elephant had garland. So elephant garlanded Naradji. Everybody ran towards him. Boli, what is the problem? Boli, now you are the king, because elephant, anywhere the elephant puts the mala, he is the king. Boli, but I'm not the king. Boli, no, you are the king. So he became the king. Coronation ceremony was it. After that, he was married to one good lady. Of course, queen will not be anybody. So queen was very beautiful lady. Her name was Naradi. They got married. हो गया, भूल गया. He became administrator, ruler, etc. And so many years passed. Around 10-12 children were also there. Earlier days, children was not 1, 2, etc. So वो जमाना अलग था. 12 children were there, 13 children. So he became father also. It so happened one day that this Naradi died. After 20-25 years, a lot time passed. So then the people ran towards Naraji. Bole, what is the problem? Bole, as we have Sati Pratha, we have Sata Pratha here. So if the if the husband dies, the wife has to die. We have opposite here. If wife dies, the husband has to die. Bole, but I won't. Bole, no, but you accepted that garland. And one tradition you accepted of becoming king. You have to accept other also. You can't accept one what is suiting you. I'm running away. How can I run away? Everybody went. And the funeral pyre was there. And they put the Naradi on the lap and put the whole. You can't run away. Tie him. So they tied Naradi from all angles. And they put the whole wood on fire. Then Hare Krishna, Krishna, kahan bachao, bachao. Bhagwan was standing. Bole, water, I asked. What happened? Glass was still there. Bole, 25 years had passed. Bole, not even 1 second went. Just you said. Well, that place, that garland, that elephant, we had 12 children, 25 years, so much of sweating. That place was not there. That time was not there. The object was not there. You wanted to see Maya. No? As that was not there, this also is not there. There is nothing called 10 minutes, 10 years, 80 years. There is no time at all in the self. Like all the people were seen in the dream, and ultimately dream over. So similarly here all will be stopped. They will not be seen. While living only many are not seen. And if you have doubt, when this body will pass away, after that nobody will be seen to you. No, I will come as a bhoot pret and see. You won't see. Somebody told me, will you please come when I die? Otherwise, I will come in the bhoot form in your room. As if it is his wish, it is his wish ki bhoot banna. Well, if you don't come, if I die, then I will come to see you. I said, in which form you will come? Well, I'll come in that. In that, I'll take some body to come and see you, because you are not coming. Therefore, I want to see you before I take next birth. You can imagine how funny people are there. Therefore, I don't watch TV and all the laughter show, because already. As if choice is given after death. ये भूत बनोगे कि डायरेक्ट जाओगे? चॉइस वाज देयर, यमराज के बोले हो आओ, कहां जाना है, as if they are going to the bathroom etc. कि so all these things, nothing will be seen there. So same Maya, Bhaskar writes there, Swatma Satta Matrena Achinta Shaktitvat. Because of that Maya, whole world came up. बीजस्याविन्तिवाङ्करो जगदिदं प्राङ्निर्विकल्पं पुनः माया कल्पित देश काल कलना वैचित्रचित्रीकृतम् माया वीव विजृम्भयत्यपि महायोगी वयस्वेच्छया तस्मै श्री गुरुमूर्तये नमः श्री दक्षिणामूर्तये एको वशी सर्वभूतांतरात्मा एकम रूपम बहुधा यह करोति। सब कुछ आ गया, हाँ, सन मून स्टार, हाँ, like in the dream also you have sun. There is nothing called dark dream. Interesting thing about dream I will tell you. Is dark dream होती नहीं कुछ. Only one condition dark dream can be there. What? In the dream you sleep. You go to deep sleep in the dream. This also happens. In the dream you go to deep sleep, and when you get up, you will get up in the same dream. You will not get to the waking state. It has happened. Then only you can have deep sleep, and then you get up. If this dream state was not there, Vedantis couldn't conclude. Dream, deep sleep, snake rope, pot. This is how the whole text are based on that. Very interesting it is. And you will not believe what I am going to tell. It is mentioned, the person was dreaming. He went into sleep. In that sleep, he started dreaming. In that sleep, that means dream number 2. Dream number 1, he went into sleep. In the dream, he started dreaming. In that dream also he went to sleep. In that sleep, he saw another dream. This has come somewhere, I will tell you later on. It does happen. To prove one point, because sometimes they say we see the same world outside. So world is there. How can we say world is not there? The clothes which I had kept were drying. So when I got up, that clothes still was there. What interesting, very beautiful is there. More higher text like Ashtavakra Gita, Udhut Gita, lot of explanations are there. I just want to take that. I am not getting a point where to take that. So Tamatmastham Eko Vashi. I have described this word, Eko Vashi. And what is this? How is the Vashi? The Vashi word is explained, Sarvbhutantaratma Ekam Rupam Bahudaya Karoti. This is actually the explanation of the Vashi word. How he is the one? Because in him he creates the whole world by the power of Maya. By giving its existence, he creates manyness. Actually, Vashi word is explained in this whole line only. Sarvabhutantaratma ekam rupam bahudayah karoti. Then what you want to say, sir? Ab dekho, one interesting point is there. This talking about Brahman. Now he'll come to Jeev. There are two ways. Sometimes they go from Jeev to Brahman. Now they are coming from Brahman to Jeev. Then what happens? Tamatmastham. So Atmastham. This Atma which is residing in the body. Ab dekho, ye to garbad kar diya aapne. How can Atma reside in the body? Why? Body is small, Atma is very big. How can thali be in the katori? You can put katori in the thali. How can you put thali in the katori? What you want to say? How that Atma is in the body? अरे भाई तुम परेशान मत करो, don't trouble me. No. When I ask a question, it is trouble. No. I'm telling you. Remain cool. I mean to say, quiet. Learn to listen. Have patience. Okay. Tamatmastham means that which is reflecting in the buddhi, which is reflecting in the buddhi, reflecting in the buddhi as the Sakshi of the buddhi, the same one on whom the whole world is there. He alone is the Sakshi of the buddhi also. Swasharira hridayakashi buddhau chaitanya karina abhivyaktamittetat, which is reflecting as the Sakshi of the buddhi. And same is reflecting as the reflected consciousness as the Jeev with the conditioning of the buddhi. As the conditioning of the buddhi, he is reflected consciousness. As the Sakshi of the buddhi, he is original consciousness. He is Shuddha Chaitanya. Without that, you cannot go to the cause of the Yo Ved Nihitam Guhayam Parame Vyoman. So Atma cannot be known other than seeing it as the Sakshi of the buddhi. You cannot know the Atma as the cause of the whole world. That is not possible. You start from this buddhi only. Okay. So what do you want to say? Tamatmastham yenu pashyanti dhiraha anupashyanti. Anupashyanti, Bhaskar writes, very good commentary on Anu. Who are these person? Navritta bahya vrittaya. Those who have withdrawn from outer world. Not that they are in the world only. They are involved too much. Therefore, without this passion, this is difficult. And Anupashyanti. Anu means what? Acharya Shastra Upadesh Anantaram Pashyanti. They are seeing after learning from Acharya. You can't understand like that. If you read this Upanishad, it's not a novel. So this has to be very carefully. Anu word means here after Acharya Agama Upadesham Anu. This is how commentary is there. After hearing from the teacher. And what teacher will not come alone. Will always have Upanishad. I told you, he's a Pramana operator. He will not say anything out of the blue. That new experience has come now in my mind. If you read TV satsangs, etc., they say all these things. Therefore, I never hear TV satsang. Because samskar is to go through quite disciplined thinking. Proof, what is the proof is there? And he is talking rhetoric. Well, this has happened, that has happened, that is there. Chandralok was there. Where you are, what you are talking, is it in Ramayana, Mahabharata, Bhagavad, Vedas? They are the Pramana Grantha, right? You tell me where it is, I'll accept it. Even if I don't understand, I'll accept it. Many things I read in Upanishads also, Mahabharata also, Ramayana. I don't understand it. But I say, no, they are right, which is my problem. I have yet to get the qualification. But they are right. They are Aptavakya. Either Bhagavan has written or Rishi has written. And in due time, many things I found was true. Okay. Anupashyanti. After you need Upadesh for that. Who? Dhiraha. Acha, Anupashyanti sakshat anubhavanti. Aparokshataya jananti. They are knowing it directly. Who are these people? Dhiraha. Dhiraha. Dhiraha means what? Dhiraha means who are vivekna. Who are not in a hurry. Don't be in a hurry. Acha. Then what happens to them? Those who are dhiraha. what happens to them? What happens? Tesham sukham shashvatam netaresham. So they have experienced that self. Now, dhyan dena, now after experiencing that self, they go out in the world. They again see the human being, man, woman, child, animal. How do they see now? How do they see now? Once Gurudev was eating kheer. So, somewhere it happened. So he said, when worldly person eats kheer and Jnani eats kheer, there's a big difference. Worldly person thinks that joy is in this object, and Jnani thinks, I'm experiencing my own joy. So, when Jnani goes, he has Pratibimba Anand. He sees, I am reflected in everything. Bimbanand is not. Bimbanand already is there. But reflected joy of reflection on some conditioning. So Bimbanand is original consciousness. And Pratibimbanand is the joy of the reflection. Experiential joy. Experiential joy which is through conditioning. Like the mother is seeing the sun and she is very happy. She is seeing herself in the sun, therefore she is happy. Somebody is praising your father or mother. You are very happy because you are seeing yourself. That is experiential joy. Because this Jnani has seen whole world in him, therefore everything is the source of his joy then. Therefore loving is very spontaneous for him. Amritamayi Amma is there. One Amritamayi Amma is there. In Kerala. She is called, you know what she is called? Hugging Amma. So anywhere anybody goes, she just hugs. In Kerala she is there. Very sweet Amma. That is experiential joy. We have a sense of difference, he is not. But he knows that he is mine only. I alone am in him in this form. Therefore it is written, Tesham Sukham Shashvatam. It indicates Jivan Mukti. He knows himself. Netaresham, not of the others. Others means what? Others means who don't see themselves. Who don't know that I alone am the one. I alone am expressing as this person in him also. I told you, when we all sleep, we are all one. We all sleep, we all have one experience that we were one. It is only when the mind comes conditionings, I become one Vishwa, you become another Vishwa. Many Vishwas came. But while sleeping, we are all one. But problem is, every time when I say we, body may come up. This bodiless self is there. If one Mahatma was there, he used to read Upanishad every day, chant. So somebody said, you already have the knowledge. Why you are chanting? Well, I am seeing the mirror. I am seeing myself in all shlokas. I am seeing, my reflection is there. So I hope this mantra is clear. Tamatmastham yenu pashyanti dhiraha tesham sukham shashvatam netaresham. Next verse. Nityo nityanam chetanas chetananam एको बहूनां यो विदधाति कामान् तमात्मस्थं येन पश्यन्ति धीराः तेषां शान्तिः शाश्वती नेतरेषाम्। Again, नित्यो नित्यानां चेतनश्चेतनानाम् एको बहूनां यो विदधाति कामान् तमात्मस्थं येन पश्यन्ति धीराः तेषां शान्तिः शाश्वती नेतरेषाम्। देखो, इज वेरी पॉपुलर श्लोक. If you can by heart it, it is good. नित्यो नित्यानाम चेतनश्चेतनानाम एको बहूनाम यो विदता. देखो, second line is almost one, except one difference. What? Shanti word is there. Their Sukh word was there. First line is different. Sukham, here Shanti is there. Both have little tinge of different communication is there. Tinge. What is there? We will see that. What is there? Nityo Nityanam. So Nityanam, acha, they have not heard the Vibhakti, no? Shashti they have read. Shashti Vibhakti. Huh? Panchami is Nityanam. Among all the temporary things. So, how the Anvay will be there? Yah Atma or Yah Paramatma Anityanam Nityah. Among all the temporary things. ध्यान देना, ध्यान देना, ध्यान देना, ध्यान देना, ध्यान देना. बोले among all means what? Among all means what? Among all means what? That means in the anitya is the nitya. It is not that. Dhyan dena, please get my point. 5 students are there. I say among 5, get one of them. It's not the meaning here. It's not excluding the 4 then. Well, anybody can come among all the 5, among all of you, one of you please come. So I'm excluding all. But it's not excluding all here. Here Nityanam means, Anityanam means, it is, Nitya is pervading the Anitya. Learn to read Upanishads. Learn it. I don't know who will pick up among the students who are new. Who will pick up? Once I was 18-year-old boy. So one Sadhvi came in some talk. I also went there. She was explaining meditation and all these things. Youngsters were there. So at the end somebody came. 60, 70 youngsters. He said, you are telling so serious things. Meditation and all these things. Do you think these youngsters will understand? She said very nice thing. He said, I'm not saying for 60. Out of 60, one may come up. 1 or 2 may come up. We don't know whose samskar will be, triggered by this point, because anybody who has last janm sadhana, all his samskar comes up moment he hears all these things. And when I started reading, so many times I felt that I had known it. That thought came that this was this, yes, this is like this only. So when I am talking, so maybe among all of you, some may be very interested. So don't think you are not going to jump any word. This hopping should be good in flight only. But when you are reading it, go slowly, steadily, carefully. Carefully. If you know Sanskrit, you can go more carefully. Among means what? Substratum of all anitya. Anitya will not be without substratum. Adhishthan rahitam adhyasta nasti asmin loke. This substratum less superimposition is not there. Okay. Nityo nityanam chetanas chetananam. One point I forgot in the last verse. Can you just come back to the 12th verse? That's conclusion. Abhi yaad aaya. See, first line, Eko Vashi Sarvabhutantaratma, is telling about the nature of Paramatma. Second line, Ekam Rupam Bahudaya Karoti, is telling that Jagat Karanat is there. He is the cause of the, I'm summarizing it. He is the Vivarti Nimittupadan Karana. Earlier one I was not clear. Why have you used this word? Upadan Karan, material cause. An efficient cause. Efficient cause and material cause. One is called Upadan Karan, other is called Nimitta Karan. What do you mean by that? The world, you just write it. Time is over, my time is over. I'll come back to it tomorrow. The consciousness is the efficient as well as the material cause of the world. The maker and made are not two. Maker is made without changing itself. Maker is made without changing the maker is called Vivarti Nimitta Upadan Karan. You can write it Vivarti Nimitta Sanskrit Upadan Karan. Where maker is made, maker himself is made without changing the maker. This is the second line. Third line, I'll explain it tomorrow. Third line, what is the third line? Aikyam, oneness, tamatmastham. That Paramatma you are seeing, which was the cause of the world, you are seeing as the Sakshi. This is the third line. Aikyam, sadhanam. This is sadhan. And fourth is phalam. Fourth line is phalam. What is the phalam? Sukham tesham. That means whatever they say, whatever they do, whatever they see the self. Self only. Atma darshanam. Atma darshanam. And ninda, fourth point. Nedresham. Those who don't have this capacity, they don't see, they don't have this sukham. Bhashkar, Bahya asakta buddhinam, avivekinam. So they don't have this kind of sukham. So these are the four main points. So how do you start studying any mantra? In one line you say what is the matter in this mantra. Then elaborate. Then after that again conclude, okay, these are the 4 points. Then that is a full complete reflection of that mantra. Okay, so this is the same trend is followed in the next, but one more point has come up in the 11th, 13th verse, which we will see tomorrow. I thought I'll complete this only today.